This song includes a B minor chord, and I personally struggle with B minor chords, so here's a couple tips for how we can sheet them while we're working on it. So the idea for a B minor is we're supposed to bar the second fret of the bottom 3 strings, and then we're supposed to put a finger up here on the 4th fret of the top string. Okay, so that should be a B minor shape, but you'll notice how mine sounds. Oh, that's better than it usually is, but not great. Okay, so there's a few ways we can sheet that. One is to just bar the bottom 3 strings and not play the top string at all. Okay, so you might do that with your index finger. I find my second finger is stronger. So this is the bottom 3 strings. All together we've got, and that's all we're gonna play, because you don't want to do this, because if you have that catch that top string, it's not a B minor anymore. So bar the bottom 3 strings, just play the bottom 3 strings. If even that barring is hard for you, we can do it with our fingers. Put our first finger on that C string, second finger on E, third finger on the A string. So it's kind of, we're still playing those bottom 3 strings only. We're not going to play that top string. Okay. One other alternative is to do a G minor shape down here at the, starting at the 5th fret. So to do that, we're going to put first finger on the 5th fret of that bottom A string. Second finger goes on the 6th fret of the C string. And the third finger goes on the 7th fret of that E string. And at this point, we can play all 4 strings. So we've got, that's that choice. Okay, so let's try those. So that's the barred, but only play the bottom 3. Fingers on the bottom 3, or move down to that 5th to 7th fret and play all 4 strings. Those are some B minor alternatives. Try that first section. Notice at the end I switch out of that D into the G to get ready for the next line. Let's try it all the way through.